Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I have some leftover paint with some blue in it that was black enamel and I don't want to waste it. I suppose I could pour it back into the jar. I've got tri-tips and basting brushes and I've got chain and a cup I thought I might put a ring pour in, but I'm going to start by putting some black on and using my OXO omelet turning spatula. Get a couple of those things out of the way. It's gotten a lot cooler, so paint won't dry as fast as it would on any other part of the day that was earlier. I really wanted to make a dustpan full of color and dump it down the center of this canvas, but I think I'm going to do some white if I have enough white. Do I have enough white? I think I do have enough white. And I'll just take a chance on whatever is going to come my way. That black enamel should go down the center also. So why don't I just do whatever I feel like doing at the time. And utilize that paint. And find out what it's going to do with the white. And then add some other colors. And do whatever I feel like doing at the moment. Alright, I got most of that out of there. It's not worth taking the time to rescue the rest of it. I'm going to get this out of here. White can go. I've been doing a series of 16 by 20s that are just fast and fun. Could call them Fast and Furious, but there's probably a copyright infringement there. And that was not one of the marks that I would have wanted to put in there, but that's okay. I think I want a ribbon dribble, but I'm not sure yet. Just going to wipe that off. I'm going to go ahead and if I can get some of my gold to come out, you know what? I'm just going to have a ball. Just without any rules at all. And I'm going to put some of my favorite folk art color shifting blue and some Anita's white metallic and some multi-surface acrylic from it's neon from folk art also, and some turquoise, and I wonder how much blue I have left. Oh, not much. Maybe I can pour some of that into there. Yep, I got some. I haven't used any of my green gold today and I'm thinking about it. Green gold is another folk art color shift. I guess I'm sold on folk art color shifts. And whatever I get is what I'm starting with. I'm not getting any of that purple and I want some. Maybe I'll just pour out of the side if I want some. It's not coming from me no matter what I do. Alright, that's interesting. Not really what I expected. We'll just see what we get. It occurs to me my edge catchers are all under my collection of bottles right here right now. And I have some neon, well it's not neon, some magenta. And even if I'm not super thrilled with what's going on here yet, I don't give up easily. And I probably won't give up easily. So I'm just going to start. Some fungly combination of colors and something is caught in my paint. I'm going to use my spatula as a swipe tool. And I'm going to grab some white. True experiments. Just adding dribbles and seeing where they run to and what happens to the colors. Not super happy with this at all yet. But I could probably become a lot more happy with it. I don't know, I guess we'll see. It's an experiment worth having, with making. Let's just do the whole thing. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. Not colors I expected to love, but I'm not hating them anymore either, which is cool, because I had a moment. Now, when you use a basting brush all the way through everything like that, what happens when you tilt? I kind of want some turquoise right there. What else do I want? I want some white there. Some black there. I like the black and white together. I think I'm going to be doing that again in a minute. This is just totally basting brush out. And I have to decide what else I want to do pretty quick here. Oh, I didn't realize I was using the black enamel, which means I might get some strange cells. Every time I add a new area, that's pretty cool. I kind of want some pale blue, and I'm not sure I have any. Should it be turquoise blue? Not really. I think I have some over here. So let's see what happens. I might like that a lot more than I do the second. That's kind of cool. Might want to do a wave like this. Whoops, don't drop that. Do I want some more pink over there? Just drop it. Alright, here goes nothing. Because I can. And because it's fun. That's pretty neat. That's definitely worth playing with. I've still got stuff all over my basting brush. I think I'll clean it this time. So you can pick up and move your designs any direction you want. I think I might like a little blue, but I remember now that the blue I want is pretty well empty. I'd really like to have that though. I wonder what'll happen if I put too much in there. Very slowly and carefully. Yeah, that blue is, I really love that blue. And now I have like a lot more of it than I anticipated. Which I will be fine with as soon as I can figure out what to do with this. neat. I have seen people who did this before. I think I've gone about as far as I want to go. I have just one black corner, and I think I don't want that to be the only black corner, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with everything else. If I want a little more light in there, I just have to add it. What else and where else, if anything else? So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio. Just freely playing with a basting brush, making marks, experimenting, wondering what other color I should have put in there, and not hating what I've got at all. Pleasantly surprised by that. Maybe just a little bit of that color right there. I like the patterns you get. It reminds me of a certain fashion designer whose name is escaping me again. They made knitwear. They were very famous. Missoni, I believe. Alright, so I'm going to torch, and I don't think there's too many bubbles can be left in there. But that was a lot of fun to play with, and that was definitely playing. We got a lot of cells coming up because I know there was black enamel in there. So it's going to be a very highly textured and little baby cells. Even though I didn't think I was going to like the colors, I actually like them a lot. Kind of reminds me of the Northern Lights for no particular reason at all. I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you're interested in either one of those things, please just contact me through the email, easpb@gmail.com underneath the video. I have 1,200 videos on my channel. If you go to Created Playlists, you'll find them organized by the first 10 lists of 100, and then another list being populated, and then genres. I like this being different than the rest. I like the little areas that are not the same. So that's pretty cool. What else do I need to tell you? Underneath the video, you can find links to PayPal or Patreon if you would like to help support the studio. There is a monthly drawing where you could win 3 paintings if you happen to be the contributor of $10 to the drawing. Anyway, so there's an exhibition video on the end screens of every video, and it will show you what those prizes are. And I will send you a receipt for whatever you happen to donate, and you'll also see there, that's going to be where the prizes will be shown to you also. What else? Notifications. Check that they're on. They're not always on. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. You can see tomorrow's video that posted there most nights, and that's for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, where I've been posting to fineartamericanpixels.com. The shop now button will take you there. You can see lots of cool stuff there. Teespring under the video has all over print t-shirts and all over print leggings. If you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. If you want to shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. It might help me stay on YouTube. The only thing that really will help is if I can have some of my almost 86,000 subscribers actually watch my videos. And so those of you who are loyal and still here, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And watch the videos longer. And this might not be as elaborate as it could be, but it's really kind of cool right now, and I wouldn't change a thing. It's just one method, and I've never given myself complete permission to just basting brush something like this all over the place, more geometrically. Yeah, I've done it before, but not quite exactly like this. Anyway, so I totally love you guys. I got to keep my skewer out of things, or I'll change something I won't like. I love you guys. Take care for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, play with a basting brush. It's a ball. I had a good time. Thank you for joining me. I will see you anon. And you can actually see all of that. Pretty much. Alright. I love you guys. Bye for now. Binge watch, would ya? Thank you.